How to get custom alarm sound on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application clock. Once you're in here, click on one of the alarm that you have set. You can see the option of sound. Click on it. Tons of different ringtones will be visible to you by default. Well, if you already have a song on your library, then tap on Pick a Song. It will open up this page. From here, you can select any of the song that you want to add. If not, you can download all the purchases that you have made on tones. Simply click on Download all purchased tones. Once the download has been completed, the songs will be available to you. Now if you head over to Tone Store, it will be landing you on this page. Simply tap on Downloads, or you can move into Purchased. If you have purchased or download any of the song, then it will be available to you. All you're going to do is click on the song that you want to set as a custom alarm, and after that you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get custom alarm sound on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.